What's up everybody and welcome to you on this live stream. I hope you are doing very well. So guys, today we're going to try to find each waves from this blue line just right there here. Maybe more here, just right there. So guys, if you enjoy this live stream, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and this like button. This is extremely important for me. So I'm not going to talk a lot, during this live stream. I have to be concentrate, so I'm just checking some few things here. Gonna drink a bit of water. So you guys, hope you are doing very well. Hope you did nice profit with this leg to the downside here. I personally feel it a short, on this leg here from this price here. I didn't tell the VIPs, to short from here, because in my opinion, it was really risky to do that here. But yeah, we're going to see which waves we're going to try to find waves inside this wave down, here on Bitcoin. So yeah, as I said, I'm not going to talk a lot because I have to be concentrate during this live stream. So I don't think it's gonna be a long live stream, it depends if I find or not these waves here. So yeah, we got a nice bounce here on the value area low here from this range, between these two levels, from this top and this bottom just right there, so that's pretty cool. We just did a nice bounce on this. So yeah guys, don't forget to smash this like button, and let's start with this. So let's go on the 1 hour chart. It looks good for now. What we can see already here, let's check the retracement. So 38.2 retracement. Yeah, we did perfect 38.2 retracement here. By the way, this is the Bybit price here. So yeah, it can change, between different broker price. Is that touched or not? No, it's not touched. Let's try to be sure about that. Yeah, it's not. Wait, oh yeah, but there is a wick here. Alright, so what we can see here, 38.3 retracement here. Alright, let's move on the 30 minutes time frame here. So, from this top just right there. So problem is, just right there, this wave here, I didn't find any possible Elliott wave, impulsive Elliott wave or things like that. So that's a bit the problem, here, because when you find, you have to see before, what we did, to try to predict the pattern after, So for now, I expect an Elliott wave, like that to the downside here, because we are in this big ABC just right there. That is the smaller wave, this big ABC, the purple one, of a bigger WXY correction wave, here. So you have to see and to know what is before to try to predict the next possible waves here. For example, here on this flat you have three waves, so the next wave here, the C wave here, gonna be 5 waves. That's what we did here. And that's how you can predict, the market here with Elliott wave, and that's really good. So let's. And the problem is I'm not really sure about this one. There is a lot of possibilities inside this. So this is the most possible one. This is the only broker price, that's reached almost perfectly 123% retracement on this B waves. The other price didn't reach it, and that's why I'm not really sure about this pattern, here. So we're gonna see. So that's a bit odd, to predict now what we can do here. But yeah, we're gonna try to find that today. Okay. So let's move back on the 30 minutes time frame here. Let's remove all of these waves here and let's try to find that. So retracement, gonna remove that. Let's move on a smaller time frame here. I'm going to change the music here because this one is really sad. This one too. Yeah, there is not a lot of good music in this playlist. So let's try. I'm going to go on Spotify and put my playlist because this one is not really good. Alright, like that, it's better now. So let's go back on this. So here. Alright, so yeah, the possible retracement here will be this. Almost a perfect 38.2 retracement here. This is, the 38.2 is a good retracement for a pattern, for a zigzag or something like that here. Zigzag, I have more chance to stop on the 38.2 or 61.8. Problem is there is no 5 waves here, there are only 3 waves. The 3 waves here don't really match, I mean there is no any targets reached here, maybe on another broker price. Let's see that. Alright, as you can see on this one, on Coinbase here, the 61.8 target is reached, not on Bybit, so that's why you have to pay attention if you do things like that, towards the broker price. So yeah, here there is a clear wave here, ABC, or another pattern, WXY, but we don't really care about that. It's the same goals. Then the retracement, so 38.2 retracement, and like that we're gonna be able to find if it match, with possible targets low here. So on this one, there is clear 100% target here. I don't know if it's reached or not on another broker price. So here, no. No. I mean, it was like that, right? Yes. So yeah, it looks like it's not touched on the broker price here. Yeah, as you can see on this one, it is touched. So 100% here is touched here. Not perfectly at all, but it's touched, as you can see. So that will be a pattern here, more a WXY, I think, because we should have, if it was a zigzag, you know, we should have 5 ways here. I mean, if we go on the 5 minute, I don't think we have any retracement here. We have a really small thing here, but it's not enough, you know, in my opinion. Here we didn't reach any good targets. I mean, 161.8 is touched well here. That would be the retracement just right there. What will be the retracement from this top? Almost a 50% retracement, I think. Yeah. Not touched, it's a 38.2, and if we do something like that, yeah, we didn't reach any good targets here. Moreover, I don't know, is RSI say something. There is not enough. 3 here, 4 and 5. Yeah, I don't really think so. Yeah, we keep this one here. So let's move back on the 13 minutes. 30. Let's remove this RSI here. So you guys, don't forget to smash this like button if you enjoy the live stream. This is really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel too, and to turn on notifications, you know, if you want to get noticed for my future videos. So let's see now the next wave here. So this one looks good. 100 target here. Let's remove this. So yeah, again, I think it's not touched on this one, but it's touched on another one here. Let's remove this one. Alright, here is not. Yeah, I mean, I start, you know, here it should be an Elliott wave, you know, inside. If we are in this bigger Elliott wave, you know, to the downside here, this one, you know, but I don't see 5 ways. The RSI don't say there is 5 ways. Maybe leading, but I really don't think so, because I don't see 5 ways. Clearly, I don't see clearly 5 ways here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe, but that will not really be 38.2 retracement here. If we retrace, you know, if we do a small retracement, if that was a wave 1, you know, here, wave 1, 2, like that, 3, the wave 3 have to be a big dump, you know. I'm gonna explain that. Like that here, please. You know, the most common target for a wave 3 is a 161.8. If we do a small retracement, we have more chance to go to the next target, you know, that is 200 or the 261.8. Most of the time we stop on the 261.8. We didn't reach it, this one. We just bounced it from the value area low of this range here. This big range just right there, you know. Sorry for my phone, I'm going to turn off the sound. So yeah, 200 here, that will be possible just right there, in that we stop it on the 200%, but with the RSI it don't match, you know. It really don't match. Moreover, we didn't touch the 200% here. No, we didn't. maybe another broker price, you know, but 200, you know, that will be the wave 3 top, wave 4 and wave 5 to this, you know, that will be the wave 3 top here. Then we are in the wave 4 retracements, and then the wave 5, you know, and that will be the smaller waves of the bigger wave 1, you know, just right there. After this, a big wave 2 retracement here, and then the wave 3 to the downside here. But yeah, I don't see these 5 waves, you know, inside. I'm going to try to find them. But yeah, for now I'm going to stay on this WXY here and like try to find the other patterns here. So let's remove all of these waves here. Let's remove all of the bigger waves just right there. And let's continue with this. So here. Oh, this is a perfect 161.8 target here. So here there is a bit an ABC, a flat, I think. So this is a retracement wave, you know. So the Y leg is not finished here, but here. Okay, even if we went lower here, so 1, 2. And as you can see, if you feel it from this bottom here, it's much more, you know, with the 38.2 retracement. It's more precise, you know. It's more there is this resistance level here, you know. So it's much more, you know, than this wick here, you know, as you can see. So that will be the bottom of the first wave to the downside here. So that will be the first wave here. So I'm just going to draw. My mouse is just bugging currently. Alright, that will be the first wave here to the downside, just right there, you know. Like that, red one, and let's turn it into like that. So after this wave up here, and the green one here, and then a move to the downside here. So yeah, bottom just right there, and then the top here. And with this we reach the 200% here, as you can see. An ABC cannot go lower than 161.8. 161.8 is the maximum target, so it means a WXY2. So it means we are not in an ABC or a WXY, okay? Or maybe we just finished this one before, you know, so maybe on this 123% just right there, you know, we did, for example, this ABC here. So I'm going just to remove some waves here, just to hide them. This one too. Like that, pretty cool. So then the retracement here, let's do with this. First wave, second wave here, third wave, possibly finish it just right there. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna do it again. So, first wave, second wave, alright, third wave here. Like that. I'm going to change the color of this. Purple, okay, yeah, purple. So 123 is reached perfectly on this. So where is the top here? Alright. Like that. ABC, what is inside this wave here? Let's go on the there is possibly 5 waves here. Let's go on the 5 minute to see that. So ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible wave 1 here. So it's maybe here an Elliott wave inside. So 3, 4, 5. We're gonna see if it's matched or not with possible goals and targets lower, you know, here. So 200%, this is not a common target, but it's still possible to went here. This is possible to stop on this. And here's a 161.8. So that's a great Elliott wave here. Now let's find this on the RSI here. So we start from here, wave 1. Oh yeah, it match. Oh yeah, it match. Oh no, we don't match. We're gonna see that after on a bigger time frame. But as you can see here, if we draw that, you know, I'm going to explain that. Wave 1 here, bottom. Wave 2 retracement here. Wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. The wave 5 on the RSI should not go lower than the wave 3 top, you know. It cannot go lower than the wave 3 top. As you can see here, we went lower, so that's possibly if we go on the other time frame here. So it will be just right there. Let's move this like that. Zoom out a bit. So yeah, as you can see here, it don't really match. There is nothing between the 5 minutes and that's a bit the problem here. But yeah, it matched with the Fibonacci levels, you know, with the Fibonacci targets. It's really, really good, you know. So if we did a wave here, that will be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. But the problem is the wave 3 will not reach any good targets, you know, on this. Like that. The 123, you know, is not a target, you know, for wave 3. The 161.8 still possible that we stop it on this one. And if we stop on this one, you know, I mean, I don't know if it will match, you know, with the RSI here. Wave 1, 2, 3 is lower than the wave. No, it's not lower than the wave 1 top. So yeah, that's not really possible here. So let's continue with these waves, you know, here. That will be the first correction wave here. So there's possible zigzag here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be really strange waves, but it's still possible, you know. So that will be the first wave here of another pattern, you know, just right there. Let's remove this one here. So what we did just right there. Oops. So yeah, here we didn't reach any good retracement target. So let's see another broker price if we did something. I don't know if I already checked that. Not touch it here too. Not touch it here too. That's a bit boring, you know, the difference between each. Oh, is that touch it here? Yeah, it's a bit boring, you know, the difference between each broker price, you know. No, it's not. Let's try to find out on another broker price here. It's not. Alright, it's clearly not here. It's not. Alright, one more after this one and we are good. Clearly not touched on this one. And this one is touched or not? I don't think so. No, it's not. So, and let's move back here. So let's see the next possible target here. Maybe a good touch. 123 here. Then we want to 1, 2. Yeah, let's try to find this pattern here we did just right there, you know. We're gonna be able, I think, to find the previous pattern if we find that. Here, almost a perfect 123% on this. Ooh, we are clearly overbought here. This wave gonna be interesting, you know, to analyze here. I'm just going to put that here like that and turn this 61.8, no, this one like that. So ABC here. What is the retracement we did on this retracement here? If we did a 123, this is a possible flat just right there. If we have three waves and then 5 waves on the last one, this is a possible flat here. So you can see 123%, 123%. Not a perfect touch here. So we're gonna check under the broker price once again. That's really boring to do that, you know, but it's important to see if under the pattern, under the price, you know, we reached it perfectly or not. Here it's a bit better, as you can see, so that it valid, you know. So let's see the way inside, you know, here. You can clearly see three ways with me. So what will be the target? Yeah, there is no good targets here. Reach it. The 61.8 is the first target. Yeah, we have to reach. We bounced it from here, but we didn't touch it perfectly, you know. So let's try it again on the broker price. Yeah, it's I think it's gonna be almost the same here, you know. There's not a big difference, you know, here between all of the broker price, I think. Like that. On this one maybe. Yeah, I think it's not really useful to do that. So maybe on this one. Yeah, correction waves are really hard to find, you know. Here we can, it's possible that we get something like that here. Wait, it was like that, yes. ABC 123%. Touch it here, but it will not really have any sense with the previous patterns. Let's try to see if this one have a good target. A good target here. 123.2. So it will be 1, 2, 3 wave to the downside here. So there's no any good targets to cheat perfectly, you know, on this bottom just right there. There's this value area low, so that's why we bounced it from here, but wait, I'm going to go on a chart here that have not any waves. What will be possible to do here? that one will be touched here, but yeah, there is not any good retracement, you know, on this. Retracement are really important, you know, to find possible waves here. Here you can see possible WXY just right there because it's a 50% retracement, and WXY have more chance to stop on the 50%. 61.8 targets here. After this, you know, this retracement, but this retracement will not have any sense. I mean, that was ABC, possible ABC here. This is a perfect 123 retracement here. This is a perfect 100% target touch it. So here's a clear ABC, as you can see. That will help, you know, to try to find patterns. Yeah, there is clear ABC here. So if we go here, our ABC was just right there. So I delete this one. A here, B here, and the C here. So now we have to see the retracement, because the retracement will be not on this top, but on this top just right there, because it's the end of the pattern here. So we have to see from where, you know, it will be a good retracement, a good target here. So there is not a good retracement target here. That will do almost a perfect 23.6 retracement, but this kind of patterns, you know, don't have a lot of chance to do this 23.6 retracement here. Moreover, I don't know if we touched a possible goal perfectly here by these waves. 61.8 is the first target. Oh wait. Alright, here it's clearly not touched. If we do only ABC here, that will be an ending, you know, on this bigger wave. An ending, you know, is just 3 waves per wave, you know, here. So if we do 3 waves here, 3 waves here, then 3 waves here, and this is possible to do that because we're on the last C wave here, this purple wave here from this big ABC, just right there, you know, this purple ABC here. Oops, I moved the wave here. So let's move back here. So yeah, that's really complicated, you know, to find this. You have to get all in your mind, you know, all the rules. So I'm going to check if we touch this target here, the 61.8 possible target here, and another broker price. So a wave here, and as you can see on this one is touched. So this is a valid pattern here. That will do wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible ABC, you know, zigzag here. So that will be a correction wave. Then the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, I don't see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. Moreover, the RSI don't valid 1, 2, 3, 4, and the wave 4 broke this wave 2 top, so this is not really possible. And then the wave 5. If we go on the 1 hour chart, I think it's not really possible to see that on this. Wave 1, 2 retracement, wave 3, 4. This one is not this high, you know, didn't broke this wave 2 top. That's good. And then wave 5. So on the 1 hour chart, it's possible, you know, to do something like that here. But it will be a really strange waves, strange wave with strange goal, you know. Then this ABC here. ABC here like that, so that will be a zigzag, you know, just right there. If we have 5 waves, so A, B, and then the C wave here with a 61.8 perfect touch here. I mean, it's well placed, right? Yeah, like that. But the problem is you have to get 5 waves on the last wave here. So if you go on the 15 minutes, maybe on the 30. Wave 1, 2. Yeah, no, this is not an Elliott wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be an ending with only ABC inside. This is possible, you know, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With only ABC inside, because that will be an ending diagonal, you know, so only ABC inside. ABC, 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 wait, ABC, yes, the bottom will be here, ABC, ABC, ABC. So this is possible that we did a zigzag, but what will mean a zigzag? This is just a correction wave. This is also possibly, as I told you, we need to change a bit the colors of this. A bit bigger here. Light purple, that's gonna be better like that. We're gonna just also remove all of these waves. Gonna do like that. So this is a possible wave, you know, we did here. So this is most of the time a correction wave, so that will mean after we go higher after this. But we are, as I told you already, on a wave C, on a C wave here, you know, this purple wave. Inside normally this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. For now it looks like an ending, you know, so the wave, it just means that the wave 4 can break this wave on top and go between these two waves, you know. Normally in an impulsive Elliott wave it's not possible, but that's what I can read for now. That will bring us possibly not. Most of the time the wave 5 is more important, you know, on this kind of patterns. That will bring us to the first target, you know, here. Maybe not to the second. It's still possible that we do a big huge wave 5 to the 1330k. No, wait, is that a good goal here? Okay, yeah, so 30k here. Yeah, 13k here. Okay, yes. So yeah, it will bring us to 13k. But yeah, it will be better that we stop on this price here. So that will be the possible pattern here, you know, and we will get only ABC inside. So that will be, this retracement will be an ABC here, you know. I mean, most of the time in the wave 2 it's an ABC. That will be an A, B, and then the C wave here. So I'm going to remove all of these waves we just draw here, and let's move on this. What is this Fibonacci retracement here? All right. Wait, I'm going to do something like that. Remove all of these waves and draw this ABC we just find, you know, here. So it was an A here, a B here, and a C here. I'm gonna try to turn this into small yellow. Yeah, that's pretty cool like that. With the 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, and a wave 5 here. I'm gonna just set this hidden waves. And another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, with an ending here on the last wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This wave 4 can break the wave on top and go between this wave 1 and this wave 2. And that's what we did. And that will explain some strange waves, you know, inside. That will be the pattern here. So that will be the wave 1 bottom just right there, you know, and that will be the wave 2 retracements. So with the value area high and the value, the POC, you know, point of control of this range here, just right there, we're gonna be able to find possibly a good entry, you know, here. So a wave 2 most of the time retrace 61.8% here. So I'm going also to remove this. So as you can see, yeah, it's just above, you know, this value area high. That is a resistance level, and that will be a possible short opportunity here, you know, just right there, or maybe just on this point of control, you know, here. It's still possible that we do a wick here, you know, so A, B, C, and the C would make a wick here, and then boom, to the downside, you know. This is clearly possible that we do something like that. There is also, of course, some possible scenarios that will bring the price to the upside, you know. Yeah, move it a bit this. There is, of course, a scenario that bring the price to the upside here. I still expect this wave to the downside here, you know. Even the other possible bullish scenario here, we have to get this retracement wave here. I'm just going to check on the 4-hour chart here what we possibly did in this retracement. I mean, the retracement we did here. What is the retracement we did here? So 61.8, 38.2, just right there. And no, we didn't reach the 38.2 retracement here, as you can see, because there's a minimum target, you know, for a wave 2. Because if we retrace only 23.6 or something like that in a big like that wave 2, it will mean a huge pump after this on a wave 3 here. A huge wave 4 retracement, but a huge wave 3 to the upside, you know. So this is also a possible scenario here, that we continue to reach some higher price. But yes, before we have also to break a lot of resistance level now. Or of the different range, you know, we have here. So yeah, wave 2 retracement expected. Maybe a bit after, you know, we can still go more down here on this wave. That was possibly, you know, the first wave here, the first wave 1. So I'm going to move. Oh yeah, it's moved all of my waves. This is also possibly, you know, this is also a possible wave, you know, here. I mean, it should not, because normally we cannot get an ending on a wave 1. This is not possible. It's a leading here. We have 5 waves, but it's like a normal impulsive wave, but just the wave 4 can break and go between the wave 1 and the wave 2. So yeah, I don't really think about that, but it's still possible that we do something like that in wave 1 here, wave 2 retracement, wave 3, 4, 5 to reach this wave 3 bottom here. That will be the full wave 1 here, and then the wave 2 retracement. And this is clearly possible. But yeah, I really don't expect this, you know. I would prefer that we stop here, we retrace just right there, and we just touch this wave. We do this wave 2 retracement here, and after this we dump. So yeah. so yeah. If you have any questions, as always, guys, feel free to ask. There is a chat available, so you can ask me. So there is a possible short entry here, you know, on this 61.8 target here. We still have to see, and that's why you have to join the Discord server. You must join it, you know, because I'm really active on it, and I'm not going to do a video, you know, on this one. I post only screenshots, you know, and I'm really active on Discord. So if you want to join the Discord server, feel free to do it, guys. We can also already check, you know, now what we did inside this wave to the upside now here. So the bottom will be just right there on the RSI here. So I'm just going to do that to see it better here. So what retracement we did on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Yeah, it's not a good retracement. I mean, smaller wave don't really respect, you know, necessarily the Fibonacci retracement, extra. So that's a bit the problem, you know. But bigger waves, you know, respect always, most of the time, I mean. So here, we did a nice triangle here, as you can see, on a short time frame here, A, B, C, D, E, and then break to the upside. This is typical, you know, of a triangle in an uptrend here, the E just right there, and then move to the upside. So that this is a correction wave of a bigger pattern, you know. And what this yeah, I mean, on smaller time frame, it's really it's really hard to find some possible patterns here. I mean, all right, gonna place it better after this. Here, what we reached, you know, the 223.61.8, sorry, not perfectly. And then here the 100 target. So this is possibly an Elliott wave here. Wave 1, 2, 3. This is a high. Wave 4. Oh no, this is a high. We reach it. So yeah, this is not really possible here. On the 15 minutes here, this is a highest price. We reach it. So this is not really possible here. But yeah, it's really important that you find, you know, each correction wave if you want to analyze by yourself, you know, because it's gonna give you, you know, the possible patterns. You know, if there is a triangle here, it's a correction wave of a pattern here. Maybe an ABC here, so maybe an ABC like that, you know, A, B, and then the C wave here. That will be a really small retracement, but as I told you, you know, on small time frames, it don't respect always the Fibonacci levels. As you can see, we touched it almost perfectly at 123% 2 times here. And this is possibly, you know, so that will be, you know, the maximum price we can reach here will be this 161.8. We stop it for now on this 123 here. So we are maybe going to do another wave, a wave, sorry, to the downside here, you know. So first wave here, then second wave retracement here, possibly to the 61.8, and then the third wave here. That will be the correction wave, you know, of this wave 2, and that will be also, this is a problem, you know, with correction wave. This wave, you know, it can be also the beginning of a bigger correction wave, you know. So here, for example, it will be a WXY or an ABC flat if we go lower on the B retracement. Sorry. So I mean, there is a lot of possibilities. That's why I forgot what I wanted to say. That's a problem. So yeah, that will be possibly, you know, the beginning of a bigger ABC or WXY here to do an ABSC, and that will be the correction wave of this wave 2 here to go lower after this. I will really appreciate that to see this pattern here, and that will be really good to trade that. But yeah, for now that's not the topic, you know. It was on this wave here. So yeah, possible here ABC zigzag just right there, and that will be an ending diagonal, and that will bring us only to the first target. I mean, we have to be inside this wave to determine where we go, of course, inside this wave 3, inside this wave 2 that we are already possibly in. So we're gonna see that, guys. I'm gonna move a bit on the right, this squares here. So yeah, the C will probably finish on this wave here. We still have to get more candles, you know, guys, to confirm this. But yeah, it's interesting here. So we're gonna see, it's gonna be really interesting the following hours and days here. What we're gonna do on this correction wave or on this wave to the upside here depends. I'm more bearish on short term, you know. Here I prefer this scenario, you know, to buy lower some bitcoins here, and then rocket to the 100k targets, because yes, I think it's this chart, you know, where I have the bullish scenario here. If we go low, you know, with this green square, that's not a problem, you know, targets are the same. But as you can see, if I go on daily here, so sorry, there is a lot of waves here. We are in a big wave 1, and we are currently in the big wave 2 retracement. Possibly finish it in this bullish scenario, and possibly not in the other bearish scenario on short term. I really think more about the bearish scenario. I would love to see lower prices here, and and like that. So yeah, WXY, we, in my opinion, didn't finish at this WXY here. We are still inside this wave, just right there. You know, the Y leg have this ABC that is in this scenario finished, of course, but in this scenario, you know, ABC here not finished yet with this WXY just right there. So it's gonna be really interesting. But yeah, for now, the target of this dump here, incoming possible dump here, will be this 61.8 just right there, as you can see. So that will bring us to 24k. Okay, 24, yeah, 24k, a bit more. And yeah, keep in mind that there is also some other targets. So there is the 100% and the 123. So the last possible target for an ABC here is a 161.8, but as you can see by yourself, this is a negative number, so this is clearly not possible to go there. You know, we cannot go below this 0 here. So yeah, the maximum target will be this 123. That will bring us to almost 6k, but it's really too low in my opinion. I mean, it's clearly too low, you know, to go there. This second target is still possible, by the way. This second target is still possible. It depends on the wave we do here, you know, on the last wave. But yeah, we should have 5-way on this one. Because yeah, why it's not an ABC, WXY on this last wave, you know, from this big WXY just right there's a pink one, you know, WXY here, because it cannot finish, a WXY pattern cannot finish with a WXY on the last wave here. It can clearly not. If we do a WXY, it will mean a triangle, and we will do some things like that for a long, I mean, A, B, C, D, E, boom, like that, and after this rocket to the upside, you know. So it will be 4 months again, and it will be really boring, and I don't want to see that. Almost 3 months that we are in this range here, and it's really boring. So yeah, I would prefer to see this wave to the downside here. I will really appreciate that. That will be a really damn good price to buy some Bitcoin, because yeah, after this 100k we are going to this price. So guys, that's all. I hope you enjoy this live stream. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to smash this like button. This is really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to turn on notifications and to join the Discord server. This is really important too. I'm really active on it. And yeah, for person that just joined the live stream, that is going to end soon. We probably did an ABC here. That will mean as an ending, you know, on this waves here, 1 2 3 4 5. So the wave 4 can break, you know, this wave 1 and this wave 2. This wave 1 top, you know, go between this wave 1 and this wave 2. So it will be maybe a bit low here. So yeah, that's what we find it here during this live stream. I mean, you know, correction waves, there is a lot of possibilities. So maybe this is not the good wave. That's what I see currently. It's still possible that we change this in the following days. So yeah, that's why also you have to join the Discord server. Because I post analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, and Cardano. So you guys just click on the link in the description if you want to join it. But anyway, guys, I hope really you enjoy this live stream. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. This is a pleasure for me to answer you. If you have any questions on Elliott waves, you know, it's gonna be a pleasure for me to answer you. I'm gonna try to give you the best possible answer on it. And yeah, guys, that's all. So guys, stay safe. Don't forget your stop loss. This is extremely important here. And yeah, guys, see you next time.